You may be on the fence about our Transformational Executive Coach Certification Program, what we like to call TECC. The thing that I want you to know is that we have different levels in the program. Level 1 is 60 hours. So if you just want to get your toe in the water and sample it and see, does this really resonate? Do I really want to be a coach? You can check it out and take level 1. But if you become really passionate about it and you want more, you can go on and continue to level 2, which completes the 125 hours to certify you as a professional certified coach. You have options and choices with us. We invite you, we don't pressure you. We want you to be able to get all of your needs met in the way that you want to learn to coach and to choose the specialty that matches for you. Check us out. See how it feels. If it's a match, go for it.